how to reset eBay password. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial. You may follow out these steps to reset it. So let's get started. First of all, we can go to Chrome and we can basically search for eBay and hit enter. After that, we'll be finding this site right here. We can go ahead and open it up, or we can even go to eBay application if you prefer. After that, if we're not signed in, we can basically sign into our account first and go to the sign in page as well. For that, from this site right here in the top left, we'll be finding option called sign in or register. We can click on that option and head over to the next page. Now here, we can start by entering our email or username that we used in order to create our account and click on this option called continue. And we'll be headed towards the next page. Now, if we want to reset our eBay password, from this page right here, we can select this option called reset your password or forgot password and click on it. After we click on it, we just need to enter up our email address or username. So go ahead and enter up our email address and we can choose up a verification method, either your email address or the phone number that you provided. We can just go and click on it and they will send us a code to the following email address. We just need to enter up the code in this box. And then we just need to follow up the link and create up a new password once it is done. And that way, the new password will be reset directly. We just need to follow the instructions sent to our email or phone to set up a new password and use at least 8 characters, including letters, numbers, and symbols for better security, and also avoid using the same password that we used on other website. And after reset, we can again sign in again with our new password. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. We can follow this method to reset our eBay password. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.